Hey guys, just taking a quick look at this Ecoviva. The company did send this to me and did compensate me to make a review. This is a countertop reverse osmosis system. Again, that's what this is. Has a 3-to-1 pure to drain ratio, plug and play, super easy to use. It's got a filter already built into the system and lasts for about approximately a year depending on how your water is. This is the box it comes in. This is how I already took it out, but I just want to show you this is the packaging, how it comes in. Packaged very well. This does hot water, all kinds of different things. This is a really, really nice system. Let's take a look at it on my counter and let's go over some of the features and benefits before we start showing you the setup, the process, and how to get this going. So what's in the box? It does come with a wrench to remove the filter when it's time to be changed. So there's the wrench here. Also comes with a quick instruction guide. Very easy to use, a little information in here as well. So read the instructions carefully. It's just a specific setup feature, setup sequence. We'll go through all that. And here is the manual. So everything's all in the box. This is what's included. Okay, so you can see it on the countertop. This is what it looks like. This is a white one. They have a couple different colors. So this is the system itself. You can see the reservoir in the back here. That's where the water goes. This is the front. So basically, it fills with water. You got to go through a process, and we'll go through that in 1 second. I just want to show you a little bit of a tour about the system itself. Again, it does do hot water, which is really nice, a really good feature. Some buttons on here. So what we have is boiling, 212, it says. We have tea and coffee, 185. Formula is 115. Normal temperature means normal temperature water. We have 150 milliliters, 300 milliliters, and 500 milliliters. So you have different options for sizes of container you want to use. Here's a drip tray. Drip tray is really cool. It's magnetic. So if you want it, it'll stick there. It'll stay there. If you don't need it, push it away, wash it, use it, whatever you want to do. It's kind of cool. It sticks right there. Here's the actual heating element inside here, which is nice. So it heats it up. The hot water's in here as well. This is where the filter goes. Okay. This is where your filter is. So when you're ready to change it, it'll tell you when it's ready to be changed. They give you the wrench. I showed you that wrench in the beginning. That's where the wrench is. And this is what it looks like. And this is where the water reservoir goes. This comes right off. Everything is very modular, which I really like quite a bit. Take that off. This is what it looks like inside. It does have a handle, which is really nice. Pull this handle out. You can see here, this little sensor that goes in here, you just pop that right in here. Let me just show you. You just basically pop this in. And there's a little cover that goes inside. You just pop this right on here. You just put it right in. And this raises and lowers as the water goes up and down. And that probably senses to the machine that it needs more water. That's what that is for, basically. That just goes up and down. You can see that moving up and down. So that's how that works. So what we want to do first is just fill this full of water. We need to prime the system 6 to 8 times. Now, if you have a reverse osmosis system, you know that's pretty much how you have to get them going. Once you prime them, then you can pretty much use it on a daily basis. That's how that kind of works. Large reservoir, you can fill it up, holds plenty of water. Has a max line. You can see the max line, 3 liters, 2 liters, minimum. So this is 4 liters this holds. As you can see, it has a minimum and a maximum line. So what you want to do first is fill it up to the max line. We're going to plug it in. It's going to go through our priming process. It's going to fill in the internal tank. And then we're going to run it through its pace. And you're going to do this between 6 and 8 times. And once that's done, you're good to go. Before you start that, make sure you wash this out. Make sure you get everything clean, which I already did. It's good to go. And you just go from there. So let's get this full of water. Let's get it in here. And I'm just going to show you that process. Hey everyone, I just want to take a moment to thank you all for watching your review channel. Now, if I brought you some value and some education, please consider buying us a cup of coffee. What that does is help support our channel. Everything we do raise goes back into the channel and make more videos to give you more education. And that's what it's all about. So I do appreciate all your time and energy in watching my videos, and I'll see you at the next one. So we're just going to fill it up with cold water, as you normally would. Fill it up to the max line. We're going to pop it onto the system. We're going to plug it in, and we're going to show you exactly what it does and how it works. That's the first step you have to do is fill it up, and we'll go from there. So now we're going to actually plug it into the wall, right into the outlet. Little cover on here. Take the cover off, and we're going to plug this into the wall, and let's get this rocking and rolling. All right. So we plug it in. So now it's going through a setup. It's filtering the water into the internal tank. It's going to read the purity of the water, and we're going to drain this, like I said, between 6 and 8 times to get it correct. That's what we're going to do. So we'll let it do its thing. Again, so it says working. So if we can see that it says work right here, and that's going to flash, and it's going to tell you when that's done flashing, it's pretty much ready to go. So we're just waiting for that to be done. It's draining the water down. You can see that. Let me just show you. Actually draining. See, it's draining the water down. You can see that. It's filling the internal tank. Really cool, actually. And we'll see what happens. We'll wait till this is finished, does its thing. And then we'll just do this again between 6 and 8 times. Now this says lock. So every time you have to access and use it, you have to press a lock button to unlock it. It's draining the water down. Now it's going through a system. Now that it's done draining the water, I can now it's filling the internal reservoir, going through the filter system. So that's why it takes a little bit of time. Drain this main tank before you fill it up again. So it just go that you hold down the 150 milliliters for 5 seconds. It'll start draining it automatically. Hold this down. Now that's going to drain the entire tank out. Unplug it, and then we're going to start over again. And that's how you do this. So you have to hold down the 5 milliliter button for 5 seconds. That's going to drain the main tank. And then we're going to refill the tank. We're going to start over again. And we're going to keep flushing and basically flushing and filling the system until it's ready. Okay, guys, we went through all the cycles. Everything's all clean, ready to go. And I'm just going to show you a test. We're just going to test, drink some of the water, and then we're going to go through some of the temperature settings real quick. So to use it, again, you hit the unlock button here. Okay, and then you hit the normal temperature. And that'll dispense normal temperature water. Really easy. As you can see, it's coming out of the glass. If you have a tall glass, you can remove this as well. As you can see, it's just filling up with water. And then we're going to test the hot water and just see how that tastes in a minute. Actually, we're not going to taste the hot water. We're going to see how hot actually it comes out. So this is just a quick test of the water. I'm going to taste it and tell you what I think. Okay, that is 150 milliliter. Yep, 150 milliliter. This is what it looks like. Crystal clear, as you can see. Let me just taste it. Smells like nothing. Doesn't taste like much, no flavor at all. Just basically just pure, clean water. So we'll take that. We'll dump that out. And now we'll do a hot test. We'll test how hot it is. So let's do 150 milliliter unlock, and we'll do tea and coffee. Right. Okay, so now it's heating it up. It's heating it up right here. 185 for tea and coffee. And now it's dispensing the water. This is coming out pretty hot. Actually, I got a gun here to test how hot it's coming out. About 130 degrees. Continue. 185 it should be. 168. 162. See, it's coming out pretty hot. 160 approximately. That's what it came out as. Except for 185, it came out 165, which is fine. 160, it's coming out right around there, and there's your hot water, just like that. Comes out really good and pretty quick actually, and that's pretty hot. That is hot. All right, so there's your hot water. We'll dump that. And that's hot, so it works really, really well. You have the hot water, you have boiling water. You also have formula, so baby formula, things like that. Works fantastic, works exactly as intended. If you're looking for fresh, clean water, and you add your own minerals, you can add your own tea leaves, you can add your own, whatever you want to add to this, or drink it straight, whatever you want to do, it's totally up to you. But this is how it works, this is the functionality, and definitely it works as intended or as advertised. So that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the review. Works exactly as stated, and I actually like this white design quite a bit. It's really kind of cool. I like this dispenser, and it's good to go. Just keep filling it, and you're good to go. All right, guys, appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This company, there's a link down below the fold, and there's a link in the top right hand of this video as well, right over here if you're interested in purchasing it. I do get a small commission if you do purchase it. Costs you nothing. So I appreciate you enjoying the video. Hope you how you brought you some value. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And this is my first time experimenting with something like that, so just had to learn how to use it. But that's a little small learning curve, but pretty easy to get to it once you learn how to do it. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching.